3, 2, 1. Welcome to 5-minute workouts on my 15-minute break. Gonna do all resistance band exercises today. Oh, wait a second. Let me put on my light. Get it some good view in there. Okay, cool. All resistance band today, all lower body, okay? Gonna start off, step in the band. Gonna have it rack position. Hip width apart, squat, down and up, all right? It's so easy to use a resistance band because it's so easy to change the level of progression and regression. All you have to do is just choke up on the band at different points, okay? So naturally, as you get your hands further down the band, you get more of it, you choke up on it, you're gonna get more resistance. Very, very simple. If you don't have a resistance band, they're very inexpensive. I left a link in the description. And they're very versatile. You could just throw it in your bag and bring it with you that way. Second exercise, gonna go right into split squats. So it's the same idea, excuse me, only if it's 1 foot, okay? So put it on your front foot, step forward, rack position, same idea, okay? You could get more of the band to choke up on it more, okay? Now notice when you go down, and you could, this is kind of good too because using the resistance band can kind of help keep your balance as opposed to if you didn't have anything. But as I'm going down, notice my knee doesn't go past my toe in the front. All right, it's 90 degrees in my front leg, 90 degrees in my back leg. My chest is upright and my posture is straight. So you go all the way down, tap the knee, and straight back up. Of course, you want to switch legs about halfway through, which I didn't do this round, but I'll do next round to give you an idea. And then the third exercise, we're going to go into side steps. Step in, hip width apart. And of course, you could follow along over here for different variations of each exercise based on your fitness level. I'm going to turn sideways for this one. Rack position, just like the first exercise, and you're just going to step both sides, okay? Now that's the first level there. You could also make it more challenging by staying fixated. Big step out, big step in. All right, you're gonna feel that in your abductors, which is the outer part of your leg. All right, you could also alternate each rep, or you could do like one side, one round, and then the other side, the other round. And another way to do this is if you wanted to challenge your balance, you could stay on 1 foot and just practice pressing this way. See how I'm staying on 1 foot? If you need to kind of step to kind of keep your balance and just keep going, that's also an option, okay? Of course, you could also make it more challenging by just extending your arms because that'll naturally make it more challenging there. All right, we're gonna do it again. Now this time around, I'm gonna show you the different variations. So I showed you this time the first time, which is just the rack position. You can make this harder, obviously, by extending your arms. All right, you're gonna feel it in your shoulders a little bit more. Open up your chest, challenges your posture. It's gonna be hard not to do this at first, but that's why you get used to it. Down and up. All right, 40-second rounds, the second round. So we're gonna switch to the next exercise now. Go back into the one leg, here, here, okay? Again, if you wanted to keep your arms extended, or you could elevate your foot and step out more and make it Bulgarian split squat. You don't have to go all the way down to the floor, just getting that one leg up will add a whole nother level to it, all right? And then I kind of showed you all the levels for the side step. But again, if you wanted to make it harder, you just extend and really push it out. Really push out your leg. Now you'll notice how like the closer my feet are together, the more of the band I'm gonna have to press, okay? So naturally it's gonna be more resistance. And just kind of press out and squeeze and hold at the end. As far as you can. Challenges your balance, your abductors, all right? So you're kind of getting a good balance of every single part of your leg. Never skip leg day, okay? So that's really it for today. If you learned something new and you got something out of this workout, make sure you hit the like button. It really helps show it to more people who might need it. And subscribe for more 5-minute workouts. Have a good day, everybody.
Hey, thanks so much for watching, everybody. If you want to see another video that pairs well with this workout, click the video right here. See you in the next one.